The Wagoneer, I don't know. When I think of Wagoneer, I don't think about luxury in today's sense. I think more of like what Cadillac was 20 years ago before that revamp with the Matrix. Do they have some refurb to do here?
Well, it's not looking, the new Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer, they do not look like the old ones. Let me show you the new ones, and then we'll show you the old ones. And the new ones, definitely an emphasis on luxury and big, expensive items within that vehicle. The Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer are being brought back by Jeep. The regular Wagoneer will have a base price at just under $58,000. The Grand Wagoneer, it starts at just under $87,000. And get this, you want to trick it out, you want to put everything you can in it, the price tag will be $111,000. Now, the old Wagoneer that we remember in the 70s and 80s, they were sold from 63 through 91. And you can buy a refurbished one now. Those prices are at record highs. What Jeep is doing is trying to play off the nostalgia of that name to sell the new Wagoneer.
I think when you start with a name that already exists, and even the name Wagoneer, I think for a lot of people, they're going to get it pretty immediately based on the name. And that definitely helps break through the noise, break through the clutter.
This is important for Jeep. Now, even though the luxury SUV market is a limited market, you're talking about people who also would be considering a Lincoln Navigator or a Cadillac Escalade. It is important, and Jeep sales have been trending a little bit lower over the last couple of years. Now, some of that is the market overall, and some of that is the fact that Jeep, well, when you look at it, it's had a heck of a run, especially over the last decade, but it peaked out at 1.6, just under 1.6 million vehicles sold back in 2019, I believe. So what you're looking at right now, or 2018, excuse me, what you're looking at as you look at Stellantis, which is the parent of Jeep, remember, Fiat Chrysler merged with PSA Peugeot, and now it is Stellantis. This is Stellantis saying, we want to make sure that Jeep continues to grow because it is the brand with the most sales for Stellantis, which has a whole slew of them now, whether it's Peugeot, Ram, Jeep. It's got a lot of brands that it's going to have to try to keep growing.
Phil, quickly, if you can, with the trends we're seeing, the move toward the suburbs that we were just talking about earlier in the show, is this an ideal time for Jeep to do this?
Yeah, I think to a certain extent. And look, there's always going to be a market for the luxury large SUV, but let's be clear, with that price tag, the Grand Wagoneer starting at $87,000, I mean, you're getting into rarefied air. It's a limited number of buyers up there who will pay that price.
Yeah, starting there. That's like Tesla SUV territory too, right? I don't know if that's the same buyer. All right. Well,
different buyer.
We'll see. That Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer kind of refurbing the old brands. I like it when they try to do that. You know, we'll see. We'll see if that pays off.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.